Thank you. Okay, guys, we are on the problem solving, page 317. Today we will do some problem solving. We said that many times, guys, the most important thing in problem solving is to read the question very well, read the question very well, understand what the question wants. Then you try to use your skills in adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplying, whatever it needs to solve the problem. Now let's go to question 1 in the problem solving, page 317. 317. And I will start with Omar Quaider. He's the only student who's raising his hand. Omar, are you
Yes,
here?
mister.
Yalla, Omar. Can you read question 1, page 317 with me? Yalla.
Yeah. A restaurant make 95 dinners each night. The restaurant has been sold out for 7 nights in a row.
Good.
How many
Wait,
dinners
ya Omar. Wait.
were
A
sold
restaurant, guys.
during
Wait,
this
ya
week?
Omar. Ya Omar, wait. Wait.
Yes, mister.
Now, a restaurant make every night, guys. Each night, it makes 95 dinners. Okay. Each night, each one night, he make how many dinners? 95.
95.
Each night. Now, he sold 95 dinners each night in 7 nights. In 7 nights. Now, what's the question wants? Tell us. How much?
How many dinners were sold during this week?
Good. 7 nights means 1 week. How many dinners? All dinners. What we'll do?
We'll do 7 multiply 95.
Excellent. We multiply the number of the nights by how many dinners are sold in each night, right? So 7 multiply 95 equal. We multiply them to find the total dinners were sold in 7 nights. 7 by 95, we make them by side over each other. Right, yeah, Omar?
Right.
Yeah, let's multiply. Tell me how we multiply.
7 by 5, 35.
5 down, 3 up.
7 by 9, 63. Plus 3, 66.
66. So the answer is 600. So we have 665 dinners. Right, ya Omar?
Right.
So in 7 nights, guys, in 7 nights, he will sell how many dinners he sold? Not he, it sold, this restaurant sold 665 dinners in this week. Thank you so much, ya Omar. Thank you.
Note.
This is question 1, guys. Copy it, please. We are on page 317 again. This is question 1. Let's go to question 2 now after you copy question 1. Copy question 1, guys, please. Again, we have a restaurant sold 95 dinners each night. But in 7 nights, how many dinners it will sell? 7 by 95. We did it here, and the answer 665 dinners. This is question 1. Let's move to question 2. Let's read it together and try to solve it together. We are in question 2 now with Abdullah Ihab.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, read the question 2 with us, yeah, mister.
A gardener has 35 feet of fencing to enclose the garden shown.
Wait. Fencing, guys, if we have a garden like this, fencing means the wall or the thing that we put it around to make it safe, right? To make it safe. Continue. How many fencing we have? How much? We have 35 feet. 35 what?
feet.
Feet of fencing. Okay,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, continue. To enclose the garden shown.
About how much fencing will be left over after the garden is enclosed.
Good, guys. Look here, guys, so you understand something. When you say about how many or how much, look here, guys. This sentence or this question about how much or about how many, the word about means you need to estimate. The question don't want exact value if we have decimals. The word about, when I ask you about how much you have money, you will say, I have about 100. Means it's not exact 100. Maybe it's 99, maybe it's 95, maybe it's 105, but you round it or you estimated it to be 100. So when you see the question, when you see the question about how much or about how many, the word about you need to estimate, okay? Now, I will graph the garden here. I will graph it here, guys. Do not try this. Do not try this. This is analyzing the question only, okay? So do not try this. We will write the solution here later on. Just follow me here. Now, the garden in your picture, guys, here in your book, this is the garden, right? I will make it something like this, and here we have 7.6 feet. Let me just copy the numbers. 7.6 feet here, and here we have 8.4, and here we have 4.8. Guys, this is written in your book, so don't write anything. I'm just copying the graph here so we know the numbers around. That's all. 4.8, here 5.2. And here we have 4.3. Okay. Are you with me, Abdullah?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we have the total fencing is 35. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Now what we will do here, we don't know how to subtract 5.2 and these numbers from the 35. So we will round these numbers to the ones. You know how?
Yes.
Yeah, let's round the first one here. This one, let's round it. 8.4, how much? If we round the 8, it will be what?
8, because
8.
4 is, we don't give.
Yes, 8. And so this 7.6, how much?
8.
8 also, Mumtaz. And this 4.8, how much?
5.
Mumtaz. And this 5.2, how much?
5 also.
5. And this 4.3, how much?
4.
4. So I rounded, guys, all of these numbers to ones. I rounded them. Me and Abdullah, we rounded them. Now we will subtract these rounded numbers here from the total. Which is how much?
Which is 35.
Now let's subtract them here. Yalla. 35 minus. From where we need to start? Tell me, from here? You can start from any place. Yalla, 35 minus 8.
Yes.
Minus 8 minus 5 minus also 5 minus the last number 4. صح?
Yes.
Now read the question again from the beginning. Yalla.
A gardener has 35 feet of fencing to enclose the garden shown. About how much fencing will be left over after the garden is enclosed.
Good. After we finish the fencing around, guys, about how much fencing will be left? يعني after we finish, كم حيبقى من 35 from the total? So we rounded here and we subtract them to know how much it will be left. So let's subtract 35 minus 8. How much, ya Abdullah?
27.
27 minus 8.
19.
19 minus 5.
14.
14 minus 5.
9.
Minus 4.
5.
5. 5 feet left of fencing. So the answer, this is the question, guys, here. This is the answer of it. From where I get these numbers, I rounded the numbers here, the lengths here, I rounded them. Then I subtract from the total of the fencing given in the question. So after I subtract, about how much fencing we have, about how much, ya Abdullah?
5.
5 feet left. So we have 5 feet left. Estimation. This is estimation, guys. This is not exact value. Do you understand, ya Abdullah?
Yes.
Good boy. Copy, guys. Copy. You can, in your book, guys, you can, in your book, you have this. So you can round the numbers here beside them. Each number beside it, you can round it. And down here on the line, you write your answer. So copy them, please. Round the numbers in your book. And here down, you write this answer, all of it. Surah. Thank you, Abdullah. Copy, guys, copy. So we are done with the question 2. Let's go to question 3 now, and let's read it together. Question 3. Yalla, I want someone to read, so we solve it together. Jalal, read it, Jalal.
You can hear me? Mister, hello?
Yes.
Yes, you can hear me?
Yes, I hear you, mister.
Yes. Question 3, brain butters.
Wait,
A
Jalal.
family-
Jalal,
what?
Jalal, do
Yes.
you understand the question 2
Yeah,
and the question 1?
yeah.
Good. Yalla, let's go to
Even I
question
write
3.
them.
Good boy.
Question
Let's
3.
go to question
A
3.
family
Read.
is okay. A family is renting a cabin for $59.95 a day for 3 days. They rent a canoe each day for $8.50. Point about how much will they pay?
About. Remember here, guys?
About means
Remember what I
estimate.
said here? When we say about how much or about how many, we need to estimate. How we will estimate? By rounding. So let's simplify or analyze the question again. Now, the 3 nights, a family is renting a cabin for $59.95 a day for 3 days. So in 1 day, how much? 59 point
.95.
$95 in 3 a day. شو يعني a day? In one day,
يوم.
right? A
Yes.
day. A day means in each one day they pay 59.95.
A day for 3 days, Mr. No. A day for 3 days. هذا المطلوب.
ماشي. A day for 3 days. So each day they rent for how much?
$59.95.
Now over the guys, you have this number. Over it, what we will do here?
Estimate. Round.
Round it. We will round it, guys, because the question wants about how much, not how much. If the question wants how much without the word about, no, we calculate exact values. Later on, we will know how to add and subtract decimals. But here, we need, the question wants about, around, you know, give a close answer. So go to this number in the question,
60.
over it here,
60.
make round, 59. After it, we have what?
69. So let's see 60.
9. So we add one here, it will be 68 dollar.
$.
So $60.
No, not 68, 60 only.
About $60, a day in 3 days. So we are done with the cabin, okay? Now they rent a canoe also each day for 8.50. 8.50 also each day for 3 days. So we will estimate this 8.5. Estimate the 8 ibni.
A 9.
$9. So what we have, guys, in 3 days, how many days we have?
3.
3 days, right? In 3 days, each day they rent for about $60 for the cabin, and for the canoe they rent $9 each day. Now let's calculate. Let's calculate the first one first. We multiply 3 by 60 to know in 3 days how much, صح?
Correct, Mr.
Yalla, 3 by 60, how much, Mr.? How we multiply this? We know that.
With long division. قصدي with long multiply.
ليه long multiply? We took multiplication pattern, remember?
90. جاوبنا أن لا بس دقيقة. Mr. please long multiplication because I do not know. Please.
حبيبي
Okay.
لا تحكي
3
كثير، الله
by
يسعدك. مستر حبيبي.
3 by 6. 3 by 6.
ايوه كم 3 by 6؟
18.
and we put 0. So how
مع
much?
0 0.
180
180 per 3 days.
in 3 days. Good. Now if we pay also 9 each day for 3 days, so we multiply the 3 with the 9 also to know the total.
Yes.
How much?
27.
27. So we have for the cabin about $180 in the 3 days, and for the canoe about $27 for the 3 days, right?
Correct.
Now let's find the total, guys. The total means the whole money, the whole cost, the whole cost. The total, we will add them. 180 plus 27. This will be $207. So they will pay about
$207.
$207 is the total. This is question 3, guys. Try to copy. Here, guys, don't try this. Don't try this. Just over the number in the question, make the rounding, and here make the multiply, then you add them. This is question 3. Copy it. Copy question 3, please. Now let's go to question 4 together. This is question 3. Let's go to question 4. Ziyad.
Yeah, Mr.
Read it, Ziyad. Question 4.
Okay. 4 friends ordered 2 pizzas. The cost of each pizza is
Good. Wait.
13.80.
Wait. 4 friends ordered how many pizza?
2 pizzas.
2 pizzas, right?
Yeah.
4 friends ordered 2 pizza.
2.
خلاص? Now each
Yeah.
pizza, how much it costs?
13.80.
$13.80, right?
Yeah.
Continue.
About how much will each friend pay if they share the cost equally?
Aywa, about how much. And I said, when you say the word about
We'll
how
make
much or
round.
about how many, we need to estimate, right?
Yeah.
So let's estimate the pizza price here. We have 13.8, right? If you estimate it to the one, it will be what?
It will be 4.
14.
14.
It will be 14. So go to the question, guys. Over this number, make 14, round it, and make it a circle like this. We are rounding. Now, if each pizza is about 14, what's the total money, mister? The total money.
We will make 14 divide 2. 14 divide 2.
Divide 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, mister. You ordered 2 pizza. Each pizza is $14.
Yeah, we'll make 14 multiply 2.
Excellent. So the total money 2 multiply 14 is, we make multiplication here. 2 by 14
28.
is it 28. Mumtaz, $28. So the cost is about $28, right?
Yeah.
Now go back and read the question again.
4 friends ordered 2 pizzas. The cost of each pizza is $13.80. About how much will each friend pay if they share the cost equally?
So the question wants us to know about how much each friend will pay. They pay together. They go to the restaurant together. Okay, so each friend will pay the same amount of money. We have the total cost about $28. So how much each friend will pay, mister? Can you tell me how we will find it?
Yeah, we'll make 14 divided 2.
14?
Yeah, 14 divided 2.
Why 40? We have 4 friends. Why you divided on 2?
Because, Mr. They said that they ordered 2 pizzas. Each 2 friends will take 1 pizza.
We'll
So
take the same, yeah, Mashi. But can we divide the total money on the 4 friends, right? It's easier.
Yeah.
صح? So 28 divided by 4, how much each friend will pay? $7.
7.
So each friend will pay about how much? It is not exact 7. It is about $7, around $7. Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yeah.
Good boy. This is question 4, guys. Copy it, please. Don't write this, guys. This, no need. If you want to write it, it's okay. But it's okay if you don't want to write it. Just understand how we analyze the question, how we understand the question. But here in the number, this number in the question, over it, just make the rounding over or down or jump beside it, whatever. Any place around the number. So you understand from where we get the 14 here, okay? Sorry, just copy question 4. Question 5. Question 5. Let's do question 5 together. Just copy question 4 before we do question 5. Yeah. Now let's read the question 5 together to see what's the question wants. Abdullah Qassam, read.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, read the question 5.
Write a real world situation that would
Situation.
require an exact answer.
Exact answer. What's the meaning of exact answers? Means it is not estimated answer, okay? It is not estimated answer. Now, I want you guys, all of you, to go back to question 1. See question 1?
Yeah.
Question 1. See it, ya Abdullah?
Yes.
Read here. What they wrote? What they wrote?
A restaurant can make 95 dinner
Here,
each.
here, ya mister, here. Look at the screen, ya habibi. What they wrote here?
Which one? I can't see.
Here, you cannot see the camera?
How many dinner?
Aywa. How many? Look, ya mister. How many? We give exact answer, right? Now
Yeah.
down, what they wrote, look.
About how much?
About how much. And here also in question 3, they wrote also about how much.
How much,
In
yeah.
question 4, about how much. So in question 5, they want exact answer. So we will write a question and we will solve it, but we won't say about. We won't say about, okay? Yalla. Now, can you give me an idea about a question so we will solve it together, but without estimation?
Okay.
I will help you. I will help you, okay? If you and 2 friends ordered pizza in $30,
Yeah.
Hello?
And
you
yes.
and your 2 friends ordered pizza for $30, okay?
Yeah.
How much money each one will pay?
We will do 30 multiplied by 3.
يا زلمة كيف؟ انتوا البيتزا حقها $30 تروح تدفع $90 ليه؟ خير.
We will do we will estimate.
I estimate. We don't want to estimate. The question wants exact answer. The pizza is $30, yeah, mister. $30. Yeah. And you, how many persons you are? You are 3. You and your 2 friends. How much each one will pay? If you divided it equally, How much each one will pay?
$10.
$10. So let's write the question together, okay? Let's say, Ahmed, what's your name? Abdullah?
Qassam. Yeah.
Yalla, Abdullah. And write with me, guys. Write with me. Abdullah and his two friends ordered a pizza by $30. Abdullah and his two friends ordered a pizza by $30. ما هكتب about? No, we want exact answer. How much? How much? ما حكيت about how much? No, we want exact answer. How much each one will pay if they pay the same amount of money? Let's copy this question together. Abdullah and his two friends ordered a pizza by $30. قديش حق البيتزا؟ $30.
Yeah.
How much؟ ما حكينا about زي the questions اللي قبل. How much each friend means each person will pay if they pay the same amount of money. So how we will solve it, guys? This is the question, we wrote it. We will solve it by dividing the total cost of the pizza on the 3 persons. Abdullah and 2 friends, we have 3 persons. 30 divided by 3 is $10. Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes.
Good, guys. So copy the question and solve it under of it. This is exact answer, not rounded or estimated. It is exact one. Copy, guys, quickly. Quickly, guys, copy. For sure, you can write any question you want. You can write any question you want, but the same important is to give exact answer, not a estimated one. I have only 1 minute, guys, so please copy quickly. This is question 5, guys. Hope you finished copying it. If you didn't finish, guys, you can watch the video again after I put it on Classera. Thank you so much. Kenan, please send it, and goodbye for all. Meet you tomorrow, inshallah. Do the homework, guys. Goodbye.